today. I'm talking about what can you do to actually get the money, sustainable wealth, and you maintain that wealth without cheating or lying to anybody else, okay? But whatever level you are, just don't think about the money, right? Think about what can you do to add value. Come into me for a mentorship program, not because I'm only just advertising online, it's because I've impacted most of my students positively. So what they do, they refer me to people. Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make money. I've been approached by so many people asking me, oh Rahim, I really need to make money. I want to make money. You know, like they're literally always talking about money. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the most important thing you could do to actually make money and make money come to you instead of you chasing it. Very important. If you like this video or any of my videos, don't forget to hit the like button below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials. I know when I said how to make money, you may be thinking about goods and services, or maybe exchanging stuff, etc., etc. That's not what I'm going to talk to you about today. So what I'm going to talk to you about today is how you could make money in an efficient and most sustainable way and to get the money coming to you instead of you actually chasing it. Let's start looking at what makes money come to you. So there are various things that you could do that would make money come, that makes you money. Maybe you can sell a product, for example, or maybe you could sell a services, for example, or maybe you can do an exchange with someone in something that you could sell that would give you money. But that's not what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about what can you do to actually get the money, sustainable wealth, and you maintain that wealth without cheating or lying to anybody else, okay? And it gets you to be a market leader in whatever you do. So if you've been expecting about products and services or something else, it's not that. The thing that gets you money, the thing that makes you sustainable wealth and make you keep that wealth without lying and cheating is adding value. You may be thinking, what, adding value? What is adding value? So let me tell you about adding value. So if I'm talking about adding value, I'm not talking about messing about. I'm talking about adding value into people's life. Okay, so if you want to make money, think about what can you do to someone? What can you do for someone that can impact them positively? Right? Don't worry about the money. Don't think about the money for now. Just think about what can I do to add value in this person's life, because if you do, these people would pay you handsomely for it. All the successful people I've made, all the people I've met and discussed, we had a private one-to-one with, are all people that are adding significant value to other people's life. For example, I'll give an example like Amazon, for example. We had eBay, but eBay was doing it differently. eBay was like, okay, you can bid online, you can list your stuff online, but they are adding value. But what Amazon did was Jeff Bezos came around and said, okay, now I'm not just going to provide you things to buy online. I would also enable you to have free subscription and getting deliveries. And again, you can literally buy it authentically, because back in the days you may buy fake things on eBay and people were worried that their product are not going to get delivered, and there's so many scams out there. But Jeff Bezos came around, he literally turned the market in a different way and he added significant value to us, everybody here. And again, most people, whenever they want to buy stuff, they go to Amazon first to check what the cost on Amazon is before they buy anything. You can see, if you're adding value in people's life, the money would follow you. And that guy today is one of the richest men in the world. You may be thinking, oh Rahim, I'm not at that level right now. Why would I be thinking about it? But whatever level you are, just don't think about the money, right? Think about what can you do to add value. What is not out there that people need ridiculously. It could be anything. It could be maybe securing a rental service accommodation deal in an area that haven't got service accommodation properties, or maybe do not have lots of service accommodation properties. Then you can go and you can then secure a property there and do your service accommodation there. After you've done your due diligence, obviously, then you would then know whether that adds value to the people around there. Or maybe buying a property, for example. Right now people are desperately looking for houses. You can buy a house, renovate it nicely, do not take any shortcuts, do it really, really nice, and then guess what? You'd have lots of people lining up to actually acquire that property or rent it from you, okay? Or you just look something that you could add significant value to, okay? It could be anything. If you impact people positively, they will pay you handsomely. But the mistake I see so many people make is basically they're all about the money. I need money. I understand that. But if you want to get sustainable wealth and maintain that wealth, it's all about adding value in people's life. It's impacting people positively, listening to what they're saying, understanding, walking in their own shoes, and then try to kind of help them, serve them. Even if you don't make money at at that time, trust me, believe in me, they will not forget about you. Whenever they need a service like that, they will come back to you because you've already impacted them positively. Even if they don't come back to you, guess what? They will refer you to someone else. They will literally refer you to the friends and families or anybody that they know. For example, I've got so many students coming to me for a mentorship program, not because I'm only just advertising online, it's because I've impacted most of my students positively. So what they do, they refer me to people, and those people contact me, and then obviously I help them as well. They refer me to other people. So that's how you can build your brand. That's how you build your community. That's how you build wealth, because you are adding value, impacting people positively. Put the money aside for now. Look at your vision. Look at the long run. Look at your goals. Look at what you want to achieve in life, and put the money aside. And the other mistake I see people make is to prioritize security over freedom. So they say, oh, really, right now I've got a job. The job pays me about £2,000 and I'm really secure in that job. I don't want to leave. If I leave it, I've got a mortgage to pay, I've got a car lease to pay, I've got my children, etc., etc. So they prefer to be in that security and thinking about the money. Saying if I don't work, I don't get the money. I get that. But how about if you can think it the other way? Okay, well, how can I start a side hustle? Can I start property as a part-time thing so that I can start making money before I quit my job that way? But don't think about the security, think about the freedom, what it can get you in the future. You may be struggling right now, right? So maybe you want to start a property investment journey. You want to start that, but you are struggling, you don't know where to start, or you're really not sure because you've got this secure income coming in. But if you don't take that leap of faith, you would not be able to get to where you want to go. You rely on that job, and guess what? Your manager can sack you anytime. You haven't got any security, basically. It will literally sack you overnight, especially if recession is coming. People will just get laid off instantly. But if you've got a side hustle and you've got a passive income coming to you, you would eventually get a freedom that would allow you to dictate your own life. Here's the thing. If you are not making money whilst you sleep, you will work until you die. So think about it. If you're not making money right now whilst you sleep, you may be working until you die. So it's now time is to kind of think about what can I do to add value in order for me to get paid handsomely whilst I'm not actively involved in doing that sort of thing as well. That's one of the ways you can make significant return on your time invested. And the second thing also, be genuine, right? Be genuine. Don't be a crook. Don't be a money grabber, okay? Whoever you're serving, serve them genuinely. Don't serve them because you expect them to pay you handsomely. Don't serve them because you want something from them, right? Be genuine, right? Tell them who you are, what you're doing. Be genuinely wanting to help them instead of grabbing this stuff away from them, because people can read it from your body language and from the words that you're saying as well. Be genuine in whatever you do. Whatever I do in my life, I am genuine. I literally try to help people genuinely. They can see it in me. They can see it through me as well, that I'm willingly looking to help them. Hence the reason why they always come back to me or refer me to other people. So whatever you do, be genuine, honest, authentic. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone that you've not been. Guess what? That will give you a greater return on your investment, because that's what gets you to where you want to go. You don't want to deal with people one-off. If you deal with people one-off, they're not coming back to you. They're not referring you to you. They're not referring people to you. You will struggle to build your business. You struggle to build your brand. You will struggle to take your business to the next level. So if you want to make more money, if you want to make a ridiculous amount of money, you do these two things. Add significant value and be genuine in anything you do in life. If you like this video or any of my videos, don't forget to hit the like button below. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials.